Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Many iPhone users are facing this issue that Face ID not detecting the user's face. It didn't unlock the iPhone after iOS 26. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings. In Settings page tap Face ID and Passcode. Here, toggle off attention aware features. Solution 2. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom. Tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off the device. After 30 seconds, press the side button to power on the device. Solution 3. Remove screen protector. If screen protector is very thick, it may let the Face ID issue. Remove it and check. Solution 4. Go to Settings. Again tap Face ID and Passcode. Try set up the Face ID. Then check if Face ID is working or not. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.